Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a mobile hotspot on Android. Sharing your mobile internet is easy when you set up a hotspot on your Android phone. To get started, simply unlock your device and open the Settings app. From there, head to Connections, or it might be listed as Network and Internet depending on your phone model. Look for the option called Hotspot and Tethering and tap on it. Next, choose Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can personalize the network name and set a secure password to keep your connection safe. Once you have customized it to your liking, just switch the hotspot toggle on. Your phone will start broadcasting a Wi-Fi signal. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.